Hey my loves, thank you so much for joining me again in part 2 of the New Year's Eve vlog. I realized that I didn't get to show you guys in the previous vlog the completed hair look, so this is how it came out and I love it. Now I have some good news and some bad news. Good news is I think I found an outfit. Bad news, it needs some tailoring to do, so I have to fix that right now. Put on a little what is it called, a little button onto the dress. Hopefully I do that correctly and it holds. Other than that, it's time to have a little shot because we are celebrating. Doing this all in my room because my boyfriend's watching a movie and he's getting a little fed up with me, so this is literally my favorite, chocolate tequila. It's actually coffee, not chocolate. Hold on. It's actually coffee, but it's not as bad. Like, I usually have the chocolate tequila omega. If you know, you know. I low-key thought this was that, but it's Patron coffee liquor. I don't know if I like it as much, but it's smooth, it goes down. Oh, to get onto this dress, I need us to cry together because I just realized that my tracks were showing the whole freaking night. Like, what the hell? Anyway, back to the video. I really hope I get this dress done in time, otherwise I really don't know what I'm gonna wear. Also, I have another problem, same color as my hair, which means I probably should have installed the black wig. I'm just gonna put this button in and try on the dress for you guys and like get drunk basically as I wait for my friends coming. My bestie's coming, Amanda. She's coming over, and then we're gonna just chill till it's time to go meet the others. We also decided that we're just gonna watch an online service because I mean, not everyone goes to the same church. I think it just makes more sense if we, you know, watch the online version and get in our blessings for the new year.
Few moments later.
I need to find a new outfit because alterations did not help. My boobs are just too freaking big for that dress, which sucks because I feel like I only wore it twice. I don't know what I'm about to wear. Clearly you guys didn't pray for me because what am I gonna wear? I'm gonna take another shot. This is definitely one of those moments when you just sit on your bed in your towel and just stare at your closet because you don't know what to wear. Fuck. Let me open this closet up. Last year I wore black. I'm honestly just gonna wear another black dress at this point. This sucks. I want to cancel it. I'm like, I don't know what to wear. It's freaking Christmas Eve. I should have gone shopping. Like, babe, I don't know what to wear. I've worn everything though. Like, I don't know what dress. I don't even have 3 ideas. He's like, pick out your 3 ideas. Let me see. I don't even know. I don't got one. I don't have one. I'm gonna be back once I find something to wear. Okay guys, so this is the final look. Black boots. Now I'm just waiting for, can you guys see me? Put you over there. Now I'm just waiting for my bestie to pull up so we can leave. Take another shot because damn. Babe's getting ready in the bedroom too. So now, free time, I'm play some music and just drink and wait till we go. So sorry, the end of the video, or the end of you seeing me speak to you like this. Everything that happens afterwards I will include, but happy new year everybody, and may 2023 be your year.